Hey, it's Sammy, and this is Trade 2 on February 14th. You can see we just rode this long up over to the left, and it formed a double top at the high of day. So once it did that, we were overbought. We had short time frame data and some middle time frame data that was actually kind of holding to the short side here. So we broke through the 38.2, and we are going to ride this down to Tuesday's close, which is right about at weekly support 1. So we're going to set our take profit just above that. Now, when we're working with shorter time frame data, we're very aggressive and conservative with our break even, just in case there's not enough momentum and sentiment to pull the trade through. We do have a volatility break on the 15-minute chart, so this trade should push through to our take profit. We had a little bit of challenge with our video, so I dragged the trade out of the account history onto the chart. You can see we locked in just above that weekly support, Tuesday's close price, for 536 pips each position for a total of 1,018 pips. As you can see, we traded a little bit more conservative just due to the conditions of the market today and maybe not having as strong a data as we normally have. However, still knowing and understanding that data gives us a tremendous edge. If you want to learn more about this process, just schedule a quick strategy session and we'll walk you through the process.